The AVI format isn't natively supported by QuickTime Player, which often makes viewing older or high-quality content on macOS a bit of a challenge. The best solution is to use VLC Media Player, a powerful open-source player that can handle almost any video format without needing extra codecs. Now, let's walk through the steps to install this app. First, open your browser, search for VLC Download on Google, and head over to the official site at videoland.org. Once there, click this small arrow to choose the right version for your Mac. There's one version for older Intel-based Macs and another for the newer Apple Silicon M-series chips. After the download is complete, double-click the downloaded file to start the installation. A new window will appear. Simply drag the VLC icon into the Applications folder and you're all set. Finally, click the eject icon next to the VLC disk image in the Finder sidebar to remove it since the installation is finished. At this point, you can right-click any AVI file and choose to open it with VLC, but it's much better to set it so that AVI files always open automatically with VLC when you double-click them. Right-click the AVI file and select Get Info. In the Info window, look for the Open With section and select VLC from the drop-down menu. Then, to apply this to all other AVI files on your Mac, click the Change All button. A confirmation prompt will appear. Just click Continue to finish. Now that it's set up, every time you double-click an AVI file, it will play instantly in VLC. On the first launch, macOS might ask for security confirmation. Just click Open. VLC is a very popular app that plays almost any video format and is great for movies thanks to its robust subtitle management. Keep in mind that colors in VLC can look slightly more vibrant compared to QuickTime or YouTube videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.